Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. A busy day today. So I was out visiting the grandkids, which was absolutely wonderful. And then I came home and I had some goodies at my door. So that was the icing on the cake for me today. So even though I am exhausted, I was super duper excited. Can't you tell? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was really excited to do at least one unboxing for you and get it out tonight, because Sundays is usually the only day I take a day off. Usually. I mean, sometimes I don't put up a video every now and then. But Sundays is primarily the only day that I don't do a video. Every now and then I will. It just depends on what I've got going on in my mood. But what I got is a very heavy, overstuffed, I can barely lift it, Ipsy Ultimate. Now, in case you didn't know, so I will make sure I refresh it, Ipsy Ultimate is $50. And you're supposed to get 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe sample size. Is that right? Yeah. And then Ipsy also has their $25 box, which is the Ipsy Plus. And you get like 5 full-size items. And then they have their $12 glam bag, which you get 5 to 7 sample or deluxe size items. But honestly, we usually get all full-size stuff. Not all, I'm so sorry. That was wrong. A lot of times we get full-sized items. Not all full-size. It's mixed in with sample, deluxe sample, and stuff like that. But it's not uncommon to get 1 or 2 full-size items in just the Ipsy glam bag for $12. So either way, it's a great deal. Me personally, I get all of them. I have an issue with FOMO. So, yeah. That's just one of my many issues. But yeah, we won't go there right now. Okay, let's open this baby up because it is full. And I think I know why it's full, because I had some add-ons. It was either add-ons or stuff I bought with points. I don't remember. But anyway, let's see what we got. Because I'm super excited. And I really... I hope it was better than my Boxy Premium. Don't get me wrong, I got good stuff. It just didn't really feel like a premium box. And whenever I unbox it, I get so excited. I'm like, ooh. And then afterwards, I kind of look at it like, was it really that good? So I will kind of try to do a little bit better with not getting too ahead of myself in excitement. Okay, so here is our ultimate bag. Very pretty with the kind of, it's like, reminds me of a sunset. And it's got the Ipsy name on it. And then it's got this adorable little tassel. I like this a lot. Oh, look at the inside. It's got the Ipsy right there too. And then it's, oh, look at it. It's got an extra pocket just on that one side. And then the bottom opens up so it's a little wider. So that's a really cute bag. And it feels like leather, but I know it's not leather. It's like a pleather. But it feels really nice. And it doesn't smell funky. So that's a added bonus. Okay, so I'm seeing something right away that I know I bought with points, which I'm super duper excited about. I got the It Cosmetics Cleanser. Anti-aging. Mama needs that. Confidence in a cleanser. So yeah, I was really excited about this. I love It Cosmetics. They've got some really incredible products, and I use a lot of their products. What's this? Oh, look at that. They sent a little sample inside the box. Confidence in a cream, which I already have. Who would have thunk? I've got confidence in a cream. I've got confidence in an eye cream. I've got their Miracle Water. Yeah, so I got their Superhero Mascara. Yeah, I really, really, really like It Cosmetics. And I saved up my points. And was super duper excited that I was able to get that. Now, I did peek. Because there have been issues with some of the boxes over the past few months with cards. It's hit or miss. Sometimes we get cards, sometimes we don't get cards. So what I did was check to see if there was a card. And there was not a card. So Mama looked up the prices. Okay. There is this card. Add-ons, the Ultimate Ipster Deal. Save the date. Get That Glow, May 2020. So there's that. But then inside, it says everything you need to glow. Highlighter, powder, liquid, cream. Absolutely nothing about what we got in our box. So, whatever. Whatever. Okay, get rid of that. Now, okay, I'm going to pull this out. Because I can't remember if I got this with my points. Or as an add-on or something. It's the Violet Voss Berry Palette. This is a gorgeous palette. Look at that. So yeah, can't remember what this was. But I know it's not in my box. So, either way. This is going aside for a giveaway. One of you guys are gonna get that. Yes, sirree. Okay. So, on to the actual items in the box. We got vegan approved Dr. Huang Beauty Lab Shea Butter Nourishing Mask. And then British Rose Hydrating Mask. Now, what I feel is an improvement Ipsy made is that instead of considering these two masks a full-size item, which they have done in the past, this is now not considered a full-size item. This is considered one of my sample size items. So, I do truly appreciate Ipsy doing that. There is no pricing on this. It just says a set of 2 masks. So, very happy about that. So, that's one of our sample items. What am I going to pick next? Okay. Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. Sweet Orange. And that's kind of cool. And that's a good size to kind of throw in your purse. It's got a safety seal on it, but I can definitely still smell it through it. This is obviously a sample size item, so I don't have a price. But I think it's a good size. Okay. This is In Beauty Project. Glaze number 1 lip oil. Looks like that. Really cool packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm such a ding-dong. Holy crowley. I don't know how you guys deal with me sometimes. I really don't. Mama loves her lip balms. And I've really enjoyed trying new lip oils. That's some flashy packaging. Okay, so I thought this might be a roll-on, but it's not. Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty big puffer. I can't even call it a doe foot because it's so big. It's more like an elephant foot. I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh, that smelled really good though. Oh yeah. I'm going to like that. This retails for $15. So that's a pretty small package for a $15 lip oil. That baby better work good. Is it 15? Yeah, the lip oil is 15. Okay, what are we going to pick next? Sundays. Okay, that's cute. Here's the packaging, which I forgot to show you. I gotta hide behind it. Very elegant packaging, we'll call it. Oh, $18 nail polish. Now, that actually bothers me. Them including a nail polish as one of my full-size items. Even though it's a pricey nail polish, still, this is a $50 box I paid for. I don't want nail polish in a $50 box. Sorry. Mom is just going to be brutally honest. Just saying. Okay, what else do we got? Dun, dun, dun. She was an anomaly? She was an anomaly? Okay. All right, I don't know what this is. Oh. Okay. So here's the packaging for that. And see how it goes? But that's why I thought I was reading it wrong. She was an anomaly. So this is a little perfume sample. Now, it says it's 5 milliliters, but it doesn't look full. They kind of... I'm glad it's a spray. What do I think of the smell? That actually smells really good. Ooh, I like that. It's a little fruity, it's a little floral, it's a little earthy. Oh, that's a nice, really nice mixture of everything. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. So yeah, that was a sample. And next is a lippy from Sugar Coat. Oh, Tarte. Sorry. Tarte Sugar Coat. Mama loves me some Tarte. Ooh, look at the color. Can you focus? What color is that? I can't read it. Oh my gosh. It's because it's upside down. The color is Sprinkle. I wouldn't really sprinkle. It looks kind of like a maroon color. Don't really see maroon as a sprinkle color. Let's see. The lippy This retails for $15. That's really reasonable for a Tarte Lippy. Look at that packaging. That is so super cool. It's all matte, and it almost feels like kind of rubbery. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Like I said, it retails for $15. Hang on. It says sample, not for resale. Okay. Sugar Squad, Sugar Rush Beauty, Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Okay. Doesn't say that it's matte or anything, so that's okay. Oh, this is the item I chose. Okay, so here's the packaging. Isn't that cool? Foxy Bay. This only retails for $12.95, which I'm kind of surprised. I thought this would go for more. And as a choice item, call me crazy, but I thought they would have higher end choice items. Not at $12.95. Under $13 as a choice item. Go figure. For a $50 box. But look at this. This is super cool. Isn't that adorable? And it's a wet brush. I mean, I'm thrilled. I absolutely love these brushes. I cannot get enough of them. And I think that like the coloring and everything on it is super cool. Just a little disappointed about the price and everything. And it being one of my choice items. Whatever. I just, every month I evaluate over and over again. Am I going to keep the ultimate? Am I going to keep the ultimate? Am I going to spend $50 again? I don't know. Okay. Dermedicine. Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 50. Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. Okay. Here's that. A little smaller than I would have thought. Because you know what this retails for? $60. I mean, I'm definitely going to use it. It is a higher priced item, but I don't know. I don't know. Y'all got to tell me what you think. Because I am seriously on the fence. And I still have more stuff to go. So don't get me wrong. I mean, so many of my foundation have SPF already in them. So usually during the summer, I'll spend a little extra money on like a good foundation with SPF or a tinted moisturizer with SPF. So to have an added moisturizer with SPF is kind of pointless for me. So I don't know. But anyway, next, Saint Tropica Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. Well, that's pretty cool. My hair should like that. That's cute. Saint Tropica. It retails for $17.50. It's got a safety seal on it. And because it's an oil, I'm not going to open it right now. I'm not going to open it until I'm ready to use it. Next. Oh, okay. So we've got a CEO Sunday Riley product. This is something that needs my glasses. All skin types with vitamin C, turmeric, lime pearl extract, CEO, C and E, micro dissolve cleansing oil. Okay. Wet or dry cleansing oil dissolves and rinses away all makeup, even long wear or water resistant makeup, pore clogging debris, excess oil, and micro pollution for a perfectly cleansed complexion. Okay. It retails for $38. Oh, that's a good deal. Ew, and it's a good size. Look at that. I love Sunday Riley stuff. So I'm super happy about that. That, I agree, is a Ipsy Ultimate. Ugh, sorry. I gotta Ipsy Ultimate worthy item. Okay. 2 more to go. Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Now, I've gotten a couple other things from Pure Heals, and I really, really, really like their products. It's a K-beauty line. Pure Heals, this retails for $26. And here is the packaging. I really like that. I'll definitely try this. Mama needs stuff like that. And then, last but not least, is something that I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out. Oh, yeah, I can. Smashbox Cosmetics Ablaze Palette. That's pretty cool, huh? I like it. It's got like a psychedelic thing on it. I was excited I was getting a palette. I was just a little bummed that it was such a tiny flippin' palette. There's the colors. Now, these colors really, really scream my name. Totally. The Smashbox palette. Oh my gosh, this little palette retails for $29. Okay. That's surprising. Okay, well, $29 it is. But there it is again. I like it. Definitely going to add that to my collection. Very happy with it. I like the colors. I love my neutrals. Really quickly, I forgot to do this while we were going. I got my little calculator here. So we got 60, 26, 38, 15, 29, 17, 18, 12, and 15. Okay, so, I mean, the total for the box was $231.45. That's a good value for $50. There are some things I would have been more than happy to have gone without. But, the palette, I wish it was bigger. For a $50 box, give me a palette. It's a great brand though. So, you know, I'm okay with that. The Sunday Riley is really good. I'm happy about the hair oil, and I'm loving the hairbrush. But the hairbrush is also something that I would have expected in as a selection, maybe for my Ipsy Plus. There go the dogs. They were so quiet there for a little while. Yeah, a $13 brush for my Ipsy Plus, maybe. Not my Ipsy Ultimate. And the nail polish. Yeah. I've put down that I do not want nail polish. I don't know how many times. And I still keep getting it. So, WTF, Ipsy. But that's it. I'm done with my rant. There's stuff I really like, and I will definitely use it. I will continue to evaluate on a monthly basis if I'm going to keep this or I'm going to love it or chuck it. This month, I am on the fence. So, I'm not 100% love it, but I'm not 100% chuck it yet. So, we will see. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me for so long. I know this was a box of a lot of stuff. This was fun, though. I appreciate you. Have a great weekend. Have a great Mother's Day if you're a mom. And if you're not a mom, still have a great weekend. I love you guys. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will talk to you soon. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.